Porsche is bringing back gas engines, but what they've got planned? This isn't just about horsepower. This is a full-blown comeback. Hey gearheads and speed lovers, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here and love juicy car updates, smash that like button and hit subscribe. Let's go. Last fall, Porsche launched their electric Macan SUV, and right after that, they dropped a refreshed version of the Taycan EV. So you'd think Porsche was all in on electric, right? Wrong. In a twist nobody saw coming, Porsche just confirmed they're not done with gas-powered cars. In fact, they've got two major combustion-powered beasts on the way, a brand new 911 Turbo and a mysterious new fuel-sipping SUV that'll replace the gas-powered Macan. Now, listen to this. Porsche has already updated most of the 911 family. They even gave the GTS trim a hybrid powertrain, and the GT3 got some light 20,025 tweaks. But guess what? The 911 Turbo and Turbo S, they've been left untouched until now. This is where it gets crazy. Later this year, Porsche will unveil the new Turbo S. And yes, it's going hybrid. And from what we're hearing, it's not just cleaner, it's going to be even faster. Let me hit you with some numbers. The current Turbo, 572 horsepower. Turbo S, 640 horsepower. Now imagine adding Porsche's new T-hybrid system. We're talking close to 700 horsepower with electric turbo assist and instant torque. Do me a favor, smash that like button. This helps us keep bringing wild updates like this to you. And we're not done. Porsche also confirmed a brand new gas-powered SUV is on the way. Yup, gas, in 2028. CEO Oliver Bloom says it won't be like the Macan EV. And get this, it's likely to share a platform with the 2025 Audi Q5. Porsche's not wasting time. They're getting this new SUV to market fast. What kind of power are we talking? The new Q5 has a 268 horsepower turbo four-cylinder. The SQ5, a 362 horsepower turbo V6. Either of those could easily drop into Porsche's new SUV. Think lightweight, sharp handling, and real-world efficiency. Oh, and there's one more thing. Porsche says electric versions of the 718 Boxster and Cayman are still happening, but they've been delayed until after the Cayenne EV drops in 2026. That means we likely won't see the 718 EVs on the road until 2027. Yeah, it's a wait, but considering what Porsche is cooking up, it might just be worth it. So, gas or electric? Let me know what you're hyped about in the comments. And smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Catch you in the next one.